Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of How Do You Cook That? My name is Jason, and today we will be introducing you to Chinese broccoli, which is called Gailan in Mandarin. So today we're going to show you a quick, simple, and delicious way of preparing Chinese broccoli. Chinese broccoli is quite similar to regular broccoli in terms of taste, except it does have a stronger and slightly sweeter flavor. When choosing Chinese broccoli, choose the ones that are stalkier than leafy, unless you like it leafy. That's because the stalk is sweeter and more flavorful than the leaves. In terms of stalk size, choosing bigger stalks compared to the skinnier ones because they are less tough and fibrous. When trying to distinguish between Chinese broccoli and other vegetables, remember that it has white flowers when it bloomed compared to Japanese broccoli when it has yellow flowers. Now that I'm done washing the Chinese broccoli, we're going to go ahead and try to prepare it. The best way is to cut off the very bottoms. Usually they're a little more tough because over time, even if they're fresh, the bottom tends to get a little bit more tough. If you get it from the supermarkets, you usually have to remove a lot more than what I'm removing right now. Also, I do this just because sometimes the bottom where they cut it gets a little bit dirty. It's better this way. Now that we're done prepping the Chinese broccoli, I'm gonna get a pot and add a little bit of water to steam the vegetables. Now, Gailan is a little bit harder than most vegetables, but they steam very well. You don't need a lot of water, just enough, maybe like a 1/4 inch from the top of the pot, enough to just submerge the very bottom of the vegetables. And then I'm gonna turn it on high heat, and once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add the Chinese broccoli in. So at this point, try to get an even bottom. Make sure all the vegetables is evenly put down there. My pot's kind of small, so it doesn't really fit. And then we're going to put the lid back on, and then the cook time should be around 3 to 5 minutes. If you like it more crunchy, I would say close to 3 minutes. If you like a little bit more mushy, 5 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm going to remove the lid to check on the vegetables. I'm doing this because my pot isn't very big. The bottom ones are more cooked than the top. As you can tell by the coloring, the bottom is going to be a darker green, which is more cooked, compared to the top, which is a lighter green, which is a little more undercooked. I'm going to flip them around and close the lid back up to get a more even cooking. So at this point, I'm going to remove the lid. As you can see, the Chinese broccoli is a darker green, which is a good indication that they're fully cooked. Any longer, they're going to be more mushy, so I recommend not going past maybe 5 minutes in the cook time. Now that I've removed the Chinese broccoli and put on this plate, I'm going to do the final touches. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil, give it a nice color and also a nice flavor as well, and just a slight amount of salt. You don't have to salt it, but adding a little bit of salt is always a good touch to it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Once again, my name is Jason, and please subscribe to my channel, How Do You Cook That? Thanks once again, and see you next time.